Group 6. I'm Anindya Gian Inaya and partners are Renita Tributami,
Sofik Mansoleha,
Faraidi Pitaloka, and
Lutfi Wisjawan. Measuring resistor, there are two ways. The first way, using a digital multimeter. The tool and material is a digital multimeter and the resistor. First, make sure the power supply is turned off and the resistor is not connected to any active circuit. Next, turn on the digital multimeter and set to resistance mode, which mark the symbol O. Then place the probe on each metal lid of the resistor. Make sure both probe touch the lid properly to get an accurate measurement. After that, wait for a few seconds until the number on the display becomes stable. Finally, read and record the resistance value shown on the multimeter screen. The second way is reading resistor color code. The tool and material is a resistor. Observe the color band on the resistor carefully. Most resistors have 4 or 5 color bands. Identify the first and the second band as the significant digit. Then identify the third band as the multiplier. Then use the resistor color code chart to determine the value to each color. The colors are brown, black, and orange. Brown representation 1, black represents 0. Orange represents a multiplier of multiplication 1000. So the value is 10,000 ohm. Finally, the last band usually shows the tolerance of the resistor.